Assalamualaikum, welcome to my second video. Today we are going to be discussing about the numericals or simple trigonometric ratios. For instance, we are doing question number 1 here. About question number 1, you can clearly see that this angle is to be calculated and the side that is opposite to the angle to be calculated are with the opposite, and the side which is opposite to the right angle will be the considered hypotenuse, and the rest of the side which will be left will be the adjacent. However, we have a hypotenuse and we have a adjacent, therefore we will use cos theta, which will be adjacent over hypotenuse. We will use 6 over 8 and we will take inverse of cos and we will get a degree. Centimeters cut out, therefore we have a ratio and then we take inverse and then we take a degree. If the question asks you to just take the value to find cos inverse value cos theta value, then you only write 6 over 8. You can cancel out by 3 by 4 and you do not write anything with it. It is a ratio. Alright, no unit is required. No unit, it has no unit. Alright, centimeters cut out. In case it has only asked about the value of inverse of cos theta. Alright, now question number 2 is kind of similar actually. I just changed the positions. This is opposite to, as it is the side opposite to the angle to be calculated. This is side opposite to the right angle, so hypotenuse, and the leftover side is adjacent, and henceforth we can use sin theta ratio, which will be 6 over 8, or we will say opposite over hypotenuse, and we will get this angle. Alright, this question will explain that all can be used. If all three sides are available, then we can use all of the three identity. We will always get the same answer. Alright, do not panic. If you are not getting the same answer, that means you are doing something wrong or you are using a wrong formula. This is a way to check it if you have three sides given. For example, we have to find this side. This will be the opposite, this will be the hypotenuse, this will be the adjacent. Now, in this case of three sides, all trigonometric ratios can be used. Now let's use cos theta first. We will take adjacent over hypotenuse and we will find angle. If we use sin theta, then we will use 14 opposite over hypotenuse, and if we use tan theta, then opposite over adjacent, Alright, we find the angle and all angles will be equal. For instance, if we say that we have to find this angle, then what would we do? This will become the opposite, and this will become the hypotenuse, and this will become the adjacent. Always remember, the angle to be calculated in front of that angle that we have to calculate, we always have the opposite. Alright, I hope that is clear. Now this is a question for you. You need to solve it. Alright, you need to solve it and give the answer to me in the comments, and I will also share you the answer of this question. Alright, or should I just share you here? I think I should share you here. The answer will be 41.4 for this question. Alright, now let's move on. Here's a challenge question for you. Alright, it's not that difficult. You have this question. You have to find angle AOB. This sign symbol means ME angles. Alright, so you have to find this angle. AOB means this angle, this one. Alright, these two angles are given. This side is given, this side is given. Alright, but I should warn you, you should always focus on the units. Alright, this is a meter, this is centimeter. You have to convert it. Alright, always remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Alright, and that means 1 centimeter will be equal to 10 millimeters. These are calculations you should know. Alright, now, and also remember, you need to do it without a calculator. Alright, do it without a calculator. For that, you will need to know these of the following ratios. You should always know that, not for this question. I'm just saying that you that one of these will be used over here. Alright, but you should know, you should learn these values. These are basic values. In exam you don't have much time, so you should learn these values. All right. Well, there is a trick for tan theta. If you know the value of sin theta, cos theta, then you can use sin theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. For instance, if you forget the value of tan theta, tan 30, then you can use the value of sin 30, 1 over 2 divided by under root 3 over 2. You use the values of sin 30 and cos 30 to find order to find the values of tan 30. Then tan 30, then we will change the this, transform this to multiplication, and this will reverse, we and invert, and fraction will invert, and 2 will cancel out, and we will have 1 over 1 root 3. Yeah, same answer, same, see, same, exact same. All right. Well, I hope I was helpful to you all. Well, for this question, this will be the answer. All right, 145 degrees. Well, I'm not saying that this is the correct answer. It might be correct, it might not be correct. Well, I want you to give me the answer in the comment, or tell me whether if it is right or wrong answer. All right, have a good day. Thank you.